show you guys how to slay your frontal using an eyelash glue. Why an eyelash glue? It's cheap, it's quick, and it's easy to use. You have nothing to lose, especially during this quarantine season, guys. We are all at home and we don't know what to do. Try practicing laying your edges with this so that when we are finally allowed to go outside, you will be looking slayed for the gods. Guys, I'm really trying to entertain you guys. People are not going to work. There's so much stuff happening, so I'm trying to entertain you guys. Again, I don't want to yap about my nails. We're in quarantine season. Unfortunately, I didn't get the memo of the quarantine season to get my nails done before, so let's not hear about my nails, okay? I love you guys so much. I'm actually excited to come back on here, guys. Like, I haven't been on YouTube for like properly for over a year, like with a proper tutorial. Just coming back on here feels really good. And you know what, let me stop waffling, okay? No more waffling, let's get onto this video, okay? Okay guys, let's begin. The wig I'm wearing is called the onion wig from my original collection. So right now I'm gonna show you how plucked this frontal is, guys. This frontal is giving me life. Wow. Anyways, if you want to learn how to pluck like this and also about the cap method I'm about to display right now, just click the link below on my e-learning channel and I can teach you how to slay your frontals like that, how to pluck it and also how to execute the cap method. So right now, all I'm really going to do is to make sure that I put my hair in the middle. As you can see, I'm gonna use a flat iron hot comb to flatten the top of it so that it makes my top of my head flat. Once that is done, we're gonna go ahead into cutting the lace. As you can see, even without cutting the lace blends. It blends perfectly with my hairline. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna use between the scissors and the eyebrow razor to go about my hairline, guys. I prefer to use these two methods. Sometimes I do use the nail cutting scissors, the small scissors, that works as well. So if you have that, use it, but if you don't, just use the scissors, you'll be fine, okay? As you can see, I'm going in and out. Make sure you're going in and out. You don't want it to look like a straight cut, but I cut it in a way that I can be able to wear this wig with or without glue. So now what I did on my right hand side, I'm gonna repeat the same method on my left hand side. Remember guys, cut section by section. Remember guys, check out my website, it's www.chrissybells.com. All our wigs comes glueless. You don't need a glue for any of our unit, okay? As you can see right now, it's on my hair without no glue. I'm actually pulling it front and backwards. There is no glue on my hairline, okay? The glue that we're going to be using today is an eyelash glue. I'm talking a simple dual glue. That is what I'm gonna be using for this installation. This is what you need to get your life together, people. This is so easy to use. It's cheap and it dries quick. It dries clear. Please do not go using the black glue, because don't do that. Make sure it's the white one that dries transparent. As you can see, it dries so quickly, guys. So you need to know what you're doing. And also, again, one section at a time. And make sure there is no hair underneath where you've glued, okay? Make sure it's a clean surface. If you notice, you can even move it, but don't do that too much. Just a little bit, okay? So now, once you've done that, hold the hair in place for a good 2 minutes. Like, watch, look at what I'm doing right now. Hold it in place for a good 2 minutes and then use your Dyson blow dryer or any blow dryer and blow it on cool for a good 10 minutes before moving on to the other section, okay? This is not like a normal glue. It dries quickly. It's an eyelash glue, remember. So do what you've done on the right hand side and do it on the left hand side. Once that is done, you put your hairband on, that's your Chrissy Bells hairband on, and get your life together. Get that curl moving, guys. Remember, I have a tutorial on Instagram on how to revive a curly hair. At this point, I realized that my frontal and my bundles were not matching, but I have come too far to move, to stop this video right now. So we have to take the L for that one. But yeah,
I have a tutorial on how to revive curly hair, okay? Now, after 25 to 30 minutes, take off the band, and this is what you should get, okay? Now, use your ORS hair mousse to make sure that all your edges is now slayed. There's so much hair on my face. I don't know if I'm the only one that gets that when I tie my hair down. There's so much hair on my face, and I'm just gonna use a hard brush and a mousse to make sure all of that is clean. I love a clean slay. That's literally all I'm doing, is using a hard brush and my ORS mousse to clean up my edges. Now that is done, you know, feel free to go over some of the glues if, you know, you missed it, okay? Now, what I'm gonna do is to put in some water on my edges because I just brushed it all out. Once that is done, guys, we are ready to slay. This is the final look, guys. Remember, guys, I only did 1 to 2 layers of glue with this installation. However, you could do more than 1 or 2 layers. You could do up to 3 to 4 layers, but build it up. Make sure it dries clear before you apply anything on top of it. And also, this doesn't hold you like a normal glue would hold you for like days, and you know, no, this is just for a quick fix, 1 or 2 days maximum, but not for 5 days, okay?
This is the finale of the video, guys. As you can see, it actually laid my edges and it's not moving. You know, it's actually quite strong. I could tell you guys how long it lasted, but it's... Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes! And also, guys, please take care of one another. Keep safe. All the information about my online classes, e-learning master classes, private classes, my contact details, everything is below. Click the link below, people. It's there. It's right here. It's right here. Okay. Okay.